Hello everyone, we are going to solve for x under square root x plus 9 minus root x is equals to 3. So let's start with today's video solution. So first I'm taking this negative root x to other side. So 3 plus root x. Now if I'll do squaring both sides, so with the help of this square, the square root eliminates. X plus 9 is equals to, and here I am going to use the identity a plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square. So 3 square plus root x square plus 2 times 3 times root x. So x plus 9 is equals to 9 plus x plus 6 root x. Now, if I take the 9 and x to this side, minus 9 minus x is equals to 6 root x. So this will cancel out and give 0. If I divide both sides by 6, root x is equals to 0 by doing squaring both sides. X is equals to 0. Now let's verify this. If x is equals to 0, under square root 0 plus 9 minus root 0. So this becomes root 9 minus root 0. Root 9 is 3 minus 0 is 3. So yes, hence proved x is equals to 0 is the only solution. I hope you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And if you face any difficulty in any maths problem, you can comment down your question. Thank you so much.